Okay, Hassan, I think you are ready for these sessions. So you answering those questions. Please
Yeah.
start this.
Now tell me some introductory discussions. First of all, you.
Sorry, I don't got it. Introductory discussions means. Okay,
Uh,
okay,
this is
okay. I can got it. So this is our Cambridge IELTS 13 parts. So this is the test of test number 2 and speaking part 3. So I am Nahidul Islam and and my candidate is Hassan. So Hassan, do you ready for this? I think.
yes, I'm ready.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
I'm ready.
okay, okay. So you are continue your answering these questions in one by one. You read this and answering these questions. So let's start now.
Okay. Right now it is the modern world, and we actually totally depend on technology. So we cannot actually go without technology because it has become an integral part of our life. So as the computers and the technology are deploying in every sectors, from education to administrations everywhere, we are actually computer is being used in every sector. So I think that as the question is, when the students, when the children are to learn the computers, then I would say that after the 10th grade, because at that times after the 10th grade, after the 10th class, after the 10 years, the students are opt and they are eligible to learn different things, and they are always they after that age the students can learn a lot of things, and that is why I am saying that after the 10 years the student should be taught the computers. So uh, obviously, I think that students, school should provide more technological help to the children so that they can learn properly. Right now in our previous 2 years in the time of coronavirus, so everything was totally shut down. Whether it is schools and others platforms, others offline platforms, but by the help of technology, by the means of technology, our teachers, our school can uh, could teach the students on on online by computer and technology. And yeah, obviously I would say that the as it is actually every years, every times we are experiencing new problems. So in our classroom, then I would say that school authority should use more technology so that the students learn a lot of things comfortably and easily. And
Please ask.
and
Please ensure hours and you talk also with questions. Is more
okay.
helpful for the learners. It's
Yeah.
more
Do
helpful
you
for
agree or disagree that computer will replace teacher one day? Actually, I don't believe that the computer could replace teachers one day, because teacher is teacher has one side, and the computer or technology is another side. We cannot match these two sides in one, because all the things that teacher has, it is organic, and the computer cannot play this role. Computer teacher can use the computer teacher can use the computer or technology, by which we can get lots benefit, student can get lots benefit. But I would not say that the computer can replace the teachers. because teachers' responsibilities and their approach of teaching and their methods and ideas are quite unique. And computer is based on programs. What the teachers program in computer, the computers are to us. So after thinking this, I would say that computer cannot replace uh, teachers in future by no means. It's totally wrong conceptions for me. Though we can say that computer can play more vital roles in futures. That would help students to learn comfortably, and it will be more helpful for the students learn something new staying at home or their comfortable places. Okay, I would like to go to the last part of the of this section. So technology and society, how much has technology improved how we communicate with each others? Actually, it is bigger descriptions. We cannot express the benefit of technology in a word or sentence. And we are seeing that in every sector of our lives. And we can use the technology for different purpose, not for communications, but for all the purpose we are using the technology. And apart from this, in our previous years or the day has gone, so we usually have to do lots of works for communications with the others. We have to send letters, and almost taken 3 or 4 months, and we have to stand in queue in landline phone. So all the things that was not actually easy and comfortable for the human beings or the peoples to make connections, communicate with the others who are living across the world. So as the time is changed and as there have been new technology that people can use, so that it is actually helping us so much to communicate with the others, with the other loved and beloved ones who are residing all over the world. And we can send our videos, our pictures, our messages within a single clip without any hesitations, it remaining at home. And they also can send their valuables, messages, pictures, even monies they can transfer. So I would say that yeah, the technology improve in our communicatings, and it is closing human relationships, and it is actually helpful for communicating to the peoples who are living abroad or other places. So my next question is, do you agree that there are still many major technological innovation to be made? Obviously, every time the time is changing and the people or human beings are facing different problems. So I think that major technological innovation is needed. Okay, and for because we need in sectors of education, administration, and the medical the medical sections. So because we are facing the new types of disease every days, every times arising new types of disease, new types of problems with the health. So to find out the or to diagnose the exact disease, we have to use the advanced technology. Without it, actually, it is not so much impossible possible to find out it. And then in administration sectors, the peoples are actually as the peoples are depending on technology, peoples usually do not know go to the administration's office on foot, because they are so much time conscious people's time alert people, so they want to do all the things staying at home. So they always hope that they will do all the things staying at home. That is why new technology also needed in administration sectors, and if we say that in all the sectors. Actually, I cannot tell all the things in a words and sentence. It was actually, yeah, and that is why I think that more education and more technological innovation is needed, and scientists and the engineers are doing it day by day. and we are thankful to him because they are providing such types of innovations which is unimaginable, and the benefit of this technology is also uncountable. So I would say that we need it. And the last and final question is that could you suggest some reason why some people are deciding to reduce their use of technology? Obviously, we is still from as of from we have talked about the benefits and advantages of the technology, but there are some reverse effect also. There are some downbacks and problems. Most of the most some of the peoples actually they misuse the technology. They usually pass their times without any reason. They just I scroll the Facebook. Yeah, they just roam in the Facebooks and other social platforms to hijack the others' personal properties and values. So I would say that. And another thing is that most of the students, instead of taking the benefit from the technology, they are misuse this by playing games and watching cartoons and talking with friends without any work. So in this way, they are actually um, misuse the technology, and that is why some people are thinking that we should reduce the use of technology because it makes actually it makes bad effect on our health, on our mental issues. So I would say that obviously I agree with the some people that are deciding to reduce the use of technology. Thank you. It is all about.
Okay, thanks for answering these excellent these questions. Your answer is so much fruitful for our learners and for me also. Your answer is so excellent, so excellent. You're improving. I think you guess it. You realize this. You are improving so much. You are improving a lot. I think you can realize this. So I think every day we should practice and we maintain our daily routine. So I think after 3 months, we getting a
Dramatic.
best.
We will see dramatic and tremendous change in
Obviously,
our.
obviously, inshallah, I pray you pray for me, and I also pray for you. Just we are mentally and physically fit. Just we need mentally and physically fit. That's it. That's
Yeah,
enough
yes,
for that's enough for continuing our sessions. Continues our
yeah.
hard working. So we are going to our next sessions, next parts, which is reading part in page at page 46, page number 46. You open this. You also open this. So this is our reading part. Reading part 3. This is our reading part 3. Making the most of trends. Making the most of trends. I think you search it and you found it.
Yeah,
Do
it
you
is
found it?
40. Yeah, making the most of trends. Okay,
Okay.
so I think that is the last part of our reading test, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Okay, so there are questions from 27 to 37, and most of the questions are so much critical. And it will take some times, and whatever we actually think the answer would be opposite most of the time. I found this.
Okay,
Okay,
no
but we
problem.
should.
No problem. If you want, I can pause my hours videos, and then we can connect it with Messenger. Then we solve this, and after solving, we starting Zoom videos. Then we will answer easily. So this is the, I think this is the best options, best choice for these learners, for this,
Yeah,
because you know,
yeah,
when we search this, we take a huge time for in a
yes,
videos. So this is boring, so boring, I think, for this is so boring for the learners. So so we are connected in messengers, we find this, we find and we search these answers, and when we complete these answers, we take in a videos, Zoom videos. Okay. So I
okay, okay.
close this, and we will be connected in messengers. Okay. Thank you.